So you have gone down the path of confusion.
What?
What do you mean, what? You want to bring the plague into my dormites? What's your aim? Is it to infect me with your disease before dawn? Every day, your throat is breakdancing. For what? How can you catch a cold, but you cannot catch common sense? What else have you caught? Disrespect, indecency. You don't want to social distance yourself from darkness, do you? Well, you will distance yourself from this family before I give you one expectorating slap. Hey, you see, I knew it. That was your last-ditch effort to complete your mission, but I prevailed. Now you listen here, you flaming fool. I cannot allow you to inflict damage to this family if you don't boot your bombastic bacterium buttocks out of this house. The beating you will be tantalized.